Since 24 years, we have been paying maintenance. It's just that she was demanding a higher quantum of alimony. Initially, we had offered 10 lakh rupees.
When did she demand 40 lakhs? If she says 40, you say 30, we can call her, matter can be settled. If you're saying 10, she's saying 40, then what's the purpose?
The husband is challenging an order whereby my application for fixation of permanent alimony has been rejected on the ground that it is not maintainable. Now, the facts of the case are that, my lords, a decree of divorce was passed in the favor of the husband way back in the year 2001 on the grounds of cruelty. Now, while the proceedings of divorce were present, the wife had filed an application under Section 25 for fixation of permanent alimony. Now, while passing the decree of divorce, the court has observed, since there is an order under Section 125 of CRPC in favor of the wife, therefore her application for Section 25 was rejected. Now, against the decree of divorce, the wife had preferred an application which was dismissed way back in the year 2015. Now, in the year 2023, the husband, he is approaching his age of retirement. Therefore, he moved an application under Section 25 for fixation of permanent alimony. Instead of paying monthly amount in favor of the wife, he was hoping that this amount can be fixed and a lump sum.
So how does it get fixed now?
Sorry, Your Lordship.
How does the court fix it under 25 when there are no proceedings pending? Proceedings were disposed of. When were they disposed of?
Proceedings were disposed of, but the powers under Section 20, if my lord may kindly have a look at Section 25, even after passing of a decree of divorce.
Passing means when? When was the decree of divorce passed?
2001.
So 24 years down the line.
On the grounds of change in circumstances, either party can move an application.
Maybe you have 27. Section 27, 127.
127, for that there has to be a ground of change in a circumstance.
So what is you are
The
saying there
best
is a change of circumstance?
Could be an order of a civil court. We are fixing the.
You are saying there is a change circumstance?
Change in circumstance. I am approaching my age of retirement.
So that itself is a change circumstance?
But for that to happen, my lord, there has to be an order from the civil court.
Not necessary. There's an order of 125.
But ultimately, my lords, permanent alimony can only be fixed under Section.
Where is the question of permanent alimony when there is no divorce?
There is a decree of divorce.
So is it stayed by the High Court?
Since 24 years, we have been paying maintenance.
Stayed by the High Court? Or decree upheld?
Decree upheld. It was uncontested. In the year 2015, it was dismissed.
Husband ki application.
Who has preferred the application under Section 25?
The husband.
But 25 is power of the court now.
And my application was supported by the wife, but it's just that she was demanding a higher quantum of alimony.
So how do you maintain an application under 25?
Well, if I may just read Section 25 of the Hindu
Read.
Marriage Act. Any court exercising jurisdiction under this act may, at the time of passing any decree or at time subsequent thereto, on application made to it for the purpose of either the wife or the husband, as the case may be, order that the respondent shall pay to the applicant for her or his maintenance and support such gross sum as such monthly or periodical.
So this is on an application by one party, direction to the other party. It can't be by you for direction to you.
But
If
my
the wife had filed an first
Understood.
issue will be delay of 24 years. Even if let's assume that doesn't apply in your case. An application by husband to pay for a direction to the husband to pay money can't be.
This
He has to approach.
This application was supported by the wife.
What do you mean supported? She should have filed it.
In fact, she has already filed an application under Section 127 in the year 2020. And that proceedings are still pending. But again, for that,
He wants a lump sum.
she wants a lump sum to the extent of 40 lakhs. Her reply is on record. And
How much are you offering? How much are you offering?
As we'll have to seek instructions.
You're here.
Initially, we had offered 10 lakh rupees.
So then there is no settlement.
But My lord, it should also be considered that we have been constantly paying maintenance for the past
Maybe
24
that's
years.
the law. You continue to pay maintenance. You can't file a 25
Again, my
CPR.
lords, that is negotiable if the parties can come to the table. But sending the applicant from the gates is.
How much are you willing to offer? Because 10 to
I mean,
40 is too
I
much
will
of a
have to
difference.
seek instructions. This is the first date of hearing. I can come up with a figure on the next date of hearing.
Because if it's worth that while, we'll call her. Otherwise, there's no purpose. We'll dispose of your appeal.
I'll seek instructions on
When
that.
did she demand 40 lakhs?
In a reply, annexure
That was when?
A4, filed on 16/12/2024, page
24.
24, page
If
57.
your client is willing to come somewhere close by, then it serves a purpose in calling her. Otherwise, there's no purpose.
And on that aspect, I'll seek
This
instructions.
maker alert counsel for appellant prays for an adjournment to take instructions. When should we have it?
I could, my lord, please to issue notices to the.
Not yet. Otherwise, why should we summon her? We'll dispose it of. There's no error in the impute
Both
order.
the parties will be before this court. It will be.
There's no error. You see, if she says 40, you say 30, we can call her, matter can be settled. If you're saying 10, she's saying 40, then what's the purpose?
Then my lord may call both the parties to the court and.
Why should we call them? You have to come up with a realistic figure, then only we'll summon her. Otherwise, on merits, there is no case.
I'll seek instructions on that.
When? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Or should we pass it over?
Or my lord may pass it over.
Pass over.